If you can't tell, I'm one of those YouTuber guys, and no kidding, I've got myself a gimbal with artificial intelligence. This little node right here is what will make this camera follow me. Now, a lot of people know what a gimbal is, but this one has some special features that I really dig. And the camera I'm shooting with is actually the camera I generally use. And this has the ability to actually connect with your phone. So you can use all these different buttons and such to control your camera. You can either control your cell phone or you can control your real camera, right? The real deal with the telescopic lens and all that. But I use it for my cell phone. I've been using it now for a couple weeks. I absolutely enjoy it. It's really fantastic. So I threw on another phone right quick, balanced it as they directed, and it's really easy to do. So once you have it balanced roughly, right, you turn it on. There we go. Can't see the screen, you guys can. And it balances itself out. Being a gimbal, check this out, it'll keep your cell phone or whatever camera you're using where you want it to. You have different modes. We won't go through all those different modes. I want to show you how it works real time, how easy it is to use. It took me about 5 minutes to balance this and get it ready. This is a different phone than what I usually use, so it's a different, you have to balance it differently. I have a little microphone right here. This would be normally my Rode module, and then I'd wear the microphone, right? And just a really convenient place to put it. You can also put extra lights on here if you'd like. But I'm going to show you the AI technology over here. And this right here, the way you activate the AI is you give it a little hand signal. This will turn green and it will actually follow me. It follows me really smoothly. I really enjoy it. It looks good. To stop it, you'd hold your hand up and it stops. So you can also self-calibrate this. Real easy, double click and it calibrates. Takes about 10 seconds of your life, which I'm not gonna have you guys suffer through. If I click on this little dial here, oh, it's really cool. It's gonna turn on the RGB light. You're not buying this for an RGB light, but it has one. 1, 2, 3, and you hold, it's on. You can also control its So I have problems. I do not want to edit this video. And the reason why is because everybody edits these videos, and if there's a problem with the camera or the gimbal, I want you to see that. Okay, there's no editing, no difficulties. I have difficulties with my microphone. And check this out, you can turn up the brightness or whatnot. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. There. You can also change the color on it, just like any other RGB light, green, red, whatever you want to do. All right, so I'm going to go behind the camera, and I'm going to do some hand signals, and then I'm going to walk around, and you can see how this thing follows you. Check this out. Really cool. Really, really, really cool. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. I'm going to give it that little hand signal. Here you go. Here we go. There we go, little hand signal. And you can't see me, I'm over here. It's going to follow me. I'll just walk around, I guess. Now, you see how it's kind of glitchy? Well, that's because I'm actually shuffling because I'm in my studio. But if I was walking smoothly, as you can see, it's going to follow me nice and smoothly. It's pretty great. It's like having your own cameraman. It really is. I'm really digging it. If I want to stop the tracking, hold up my hand, turns red, it's not going to follow me anymore. If I want to activate it again, it's activated. If I'm jittery, it'll be jittery, right? It's trying to follow me. But if I'm walking or I'm just acting like a normal human being, if I go down, it's gonna follow me that way too. I don't have to look at it. I don't have to make any secret gestures. It just works. Really dig it. It's kind of annoying me right now. Let's just stop it. It's got a little joystick here. We can turn it around. Really easy to place your phone in here. So if you're a YouTuber, yeah, it's fantastic. So we know that when we use the Rode microphone, we have a cord that goes from one module and you have to plug it into your phone, right? Well, it's really easy to do that You don't have to rebalance it or anything. You just plug in. I just loop the wire around here and it plugs in right at the bottom of my cell phone right there. When I want to listen to whatever I shot, I unplug it, I push play. It's very convenient, very easy to operate. And that's just a joystick button right here. That makes it where it's really easy to just do those little self-adjusting. All these little buttons, this one right here, oh, it has charging ports too. So you can have it charging your phone also. The battery life, outstanding. You charge this device right here with a USB 2.0 or something like that. Whatever it is, it charges it very fast and it stays charged. What is this? This right here is your tripod. You can take this and place it on your real tripod, and like I said, it's like your own cameraman. So generally I would have this on my main tripod and I'd be just shooting my YouTube videos. I can show you guys something over here, over there, and I don't have to stop the recording. I am really impressed. Everything is really high quality, including all the stuff it comes with. It is a kit. So what does the kit come with? Well, the kit comes with this incredible tripod dilly willy. This is what the front looks like also. See the trigger right here? Now, if I press the trigger, there's different things that it does. There's a nice little instruction manual, which I misplaced. It's really thin. Took me about 15 minutes to read through it and figure out how to use this thing. It's got GoPro, comes with GoPro mounting hardware, very high quality. Comes with camera mounting hardware. This frame right here, that is the cell phone hardware, okay? And that's what I use. All these cords, you can connect everything and they're labeled for you. Everything is so convenient and they're really high quality. Comes with this really good carrying case and you're like, I'm not interested in the carrying case. Well, you gotta carry it, right? And it's better than putting it in a plastic bag. We put it in here. All of this stuff that it comes with, I like to put in the large pocket, just for safekeeping, because I do have a GoPro that I use also. I just throw everything in there, zip it up. So they actually delivered it with things in each one of these. I like keeping my RGB lights in there. So you can put your RGB lights in here. Just a neat place to put them, kind of cool. That's an example. I'll spare you putting in the third one. And right there, and so you'll have all your extra cords, your RGB lights, your camera, you button it up, and you're awesome. I really do like this device. I've had gimbals before. If you look back on my channel, there is a gimbal that I reviewed a long time ago. I returned it. I didn't like it. It didn't really work very well. This, I'm just so impressed. I'm just blown away by the technology. So I guess we could do it one last time. You guys can see the tracking ability of this device. Hello, there we go. And that's really it. That's the review. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it for YouTube videos. And it's like having your own little robot. So if you're into YouTube videos or shooting or even professional work, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube do reviews using like a telescopic lens. I think it can hold like 3 or 4 pounds. This is not 3 or 4 pounds. So for your cell phone and a few extra lights, you're not taxing these motors. For about $300, you're getting, I can't believe this is 300 bucks. I can't believe. And it's on Amazon, we're looking at 4.5, between 4 and 3/4, basically 5 stars going clear across the board. So I highly recommend it. I can put my name up behind this, and I really appreciate them sending me one of these. So yes, I did not purchase this myself. This was sent to me. I have a lot of things that are sent to me. And if I don't like them, I don't do a review on them. If I like them, I do a review on them. If I really like them, like I like this, I actually use them. So you can go on my channel and you can see all the videos that I do, and you can see how I'm using this. You can see how the camera follows me and tracks me and how it works. And I enjoy it. And yeah, the Hohem iSteady MT2. And I hope this real video with no editing shows you how easy it is to use this thing. Like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.